with the next AutoCAD feature for 2023, and this would be my Insights tab improvement. This is not actually a brand new feature, but it's an improvement that AutoCAD did to the My Insights tab, which is over here under the Start tab. So if you click simply My Insights, so at this moment, it says that I have no insights available. The reason being is because I just installed AutoCAD 2023 today, so AutoCAD doesn't have that much information about my usage. But let me explain you here. What you will see is basically tips and productivity tricks that AutoCAD will give you, but these tips are personalized based on your usage. So basically, if you use a lot editing commands such as move, trim, and so on, AutoCAD will recognize that, will track that, and give you tips about those features. And also, there is a new recommendations such as macro commands that you will also see it here on my Insights tab. And basically, AutoCAD knows what you're using, what commands you're using, and will recommend you these custom short macro codes that you could use to automate your work and, improve your workflow. So again, the reason why we're not seeing any of that right now is because I just installed AutoCAD 2023. So that's another feature for this new AutoCAD. And let's move with the next one. So the next one is